Hello and welcome to today's lesson on English verb tenses. Today's lesson will focus on present tenses. So the present tenses are the present simple tense, the present continuous tense, the present perfect tense, and the present perfect continuous tense. So simple present tense with the verb eat. How do we use it in a sentence? So usually the verb doesn't change form when used properly. Example, I eat, you eat, she eats, they eat. Let's look at how to use it in a sentence. I eat an apple every day. You eat strawberries. She eats an apple for breakfast. So the simple present tense talks about habitual actions, like actions you do every day. She eats apple for breakfast. She does it every day, or she usually does it. So let's look at other examples. Simple present tense, the verb brush. I brush, you brush. He or she brushes, they or we brush. So we use simple present tense for actions that are done frequently. I brush my teeth daily. She brushes her teeth at night. So these are habitual actions that happens almost every day. So which one is the simple present tense? Which sentence? She plays outside every day, or she is playing outside? It's the first one. She plays outside every day. That takes us to next example. I play outside every day, or I plays outside every day. It's the first one. I play outside every day. The present continuous tense is usually the verb ending in ing. In the present continuous tense, we have the verb ending in ing. It's used for actions that are happening right now, actions that are currently happening as you are speaking. I am working. You are working. He is working. So these are actions that are happening as the speaker is speaking. So which one is the present continuous tense? She is going to work, or she is went to work. It is the first one. The first one is the proper English grammar. She is going to work. Go is the verb and it ends in ing, going. It's present continuous. That means she's going to work right now. Which one is the present continuous tense? Remember, the verb ends in ing. You have cooked the food, or you are cooking the food. It's the second one. You are cooking the food. The next present tense is the present perfect tense. To form the present perfect tense, we use the word have or has, followed by the past participle of the verb. So the past participle of the word eat is eaten. Cook, cooked. Keep, kept. Take, taken. Let's look at more examples. I have eaten. You have eaten. He has eaten. So have plus the past participle of the verb eat. I've written the email. This is an example of a present perfect tense. So present perfect tense is used for actions that started in the past and they have continued to the present and completed in the present. Another example, I have taken my book, or I have took my book. Remember, the present perfect tense, we use the word have or has and the past participle of the verb. So it's so taken is the correct verb. I have taken my book, not I have took my book. Took is the past tense of take. It's not the past participle of take. Hope that makes sense. I have hid the money, or I have hidden the money. Which one is the correct one? I have hidden. The money is the correct one. Hidden is the past participle of hide, and we have. I have hidden the money. So this is a good example of a present perfect tense. The next type of present tense is the present perfect continuous tense. So here the format is have or has plus been plus ing. The verb ends in ing. Okay, here are some examples of present perfect continuous tenses. I have been reading. So have been reading. Read is the verb, it ends in ing. You have been working. Work is the verb, ends in ing. He has been sleeping. Sleep is the verb, ends in ing. And the sentence has the words has been or have been. So these are examples of sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. More examples. I have been reading for an hour. You've been working on that project for several weeks. He has been sleeping for 2 hours. Which one is the sentence that is in the present perfect continuous tense? He has been waiting for 10 minutes or he was waiting for 10 minutes. It's the first one. He has been waiting for 10 minutes. The second sentence is in the past tense. He was waiting for 10 minutes. So this one is the correct one. He has been waiting for 10 minutes. It's in the present perfect continuous tense format. So a recap. Present simple, she works here. Present continuous, she is working at the new building. Present perfect, she has worked at the new building for a week. Present perfect continuous, she has been working at the new building for a week. So present perfect continuous, the verb ends in ing, and we have has been. Present perfect, the verb ends in ed, and we have has worked. Present continuous, the verb ends in ing as well, and we have the verb is working or are working. Then in the present simple, the verb it's in the original form depending on the pronoun that is used with it. So she works or I work is present simple. Present simple, she jogs every day. Present continuous, she is jogging. That means she is jogging right now. Present perfect, she has jogged today. Present perfect continuous, she has been jogging for 30 minutes.